You're probably wondering what CompuMagic's QR codes for businesses is all about. Well, it's a solution built to help businesses like yours succeed. With CompuMagic's QR codes for businesses, you can get callers, customers and clients to call you by scanning a QR code that you provide to them. You can also get pre-filled SMS messages, emails, custom WhatsApp messages and FaceTime calls. In addition, you can embed a location in a QR code to enable people get direction more easily, allow guests, customers and clients to easily and seamlessly connect to your Wi-Fi, generate and embed into a QR code custom calendar event, get paid in crypto, embed all your contact data into a digital business card and create a direct PayPal payment link. You'll be able to save time, save money and entice customers with these features. Plus, you'll be able to schedule a meeting to find out more about our solution. CompuMagic's QR codes for businesses can help you be more efficient and make more money by reducing cost. Put simply, CompuMagic's QR codes for businesses has the potential to change how you do business. So why don't you schedule a quick Zoom meeting with us today using the link in the video description? Together we can discuss the best ways to help your business meet its goals. We look forward to meeting you. Thanks for watching.